today we are going to be planting some Detroit dark red beets. And this is those what they look like. And I'm so excited because this season I want to try some pickled beets. I've been hearing so much about everybody pickling beets and how much they love them. So I like beets and I like pretty much anything that's been pickled. So child, we're going to try it today. So I have a galvanized container that my husband brought me and drill some holes on the bottom, drill holes on the side. So what we're going to do is I have some soil over here in my wheelbarrow. I'm going to go ahead and we are going to fill this container up because it's not that much soil, so I don't feel bad about not putting, like other things like my compost at the bottom because it is a hot day here in Virginia, 7B. So I am inside my garage again trying to get this thing planted up so I can keep growing, and growing. So let me put this container in here and we are going to fill it up with some good old quality soil. So I hope you guys can see it. Hope you guys can hear me because everybody's doing something outside even though the weather is hot and rainy. So let's get this soil in here so we can start planting these beets. I'm so excited. Woohoo! Beets, here we come. The beets have I think it's like a shallow root. They go down, but I don't think they go down really far. So I'm just going to fill this to this first line that's in this one container. And then we'll amend this soil, plant those seeds. I already made a tag for it. So we should be good to go. I'm going to see how this one planter works because this is the first time I've used it. And he said he caught it on a sale, and he always knows I'm always looking for good things to plant stuff in. So we're going to give this galvanized container a shot. All right. So I've got this already put to where I think it'll be good. See, it's all filled, looking good. So let's move this back so we can get this planting process done. Let me see if I can raise you up a little. There. So let's put some amendments in here. We've got some blood meal. And we've got our usual bone meal. So we're going to put a little bit of that in here. Put some of this bone meal in here. Whoop. This stuff comes out super quick, so you got to be careful. Yeah, I'm going to stir this bad boy up. My little trusty spoon here. And then I'm going to sit this on my table outside on my deck, the one that has my carrots growing. So how are you guys doing today? Are you guys having a good day? I've been watching you guys' videos and you guys keep inspiring me to get out there and keep planting. And some of you guys are already harvesting some good stuff. So I'm like, whoo, y'all keep me motivated because I'm like, I'm behind you guys. So I got to get to going. So we're going to open up this seed packet. And this is cute because look what the inside looks like. Has a picture of the beet. The packaging is so cute. Look at this. And I've done a video on this showing you where I got these seeds from and how they have all the instructions about the history of this beet. And this is what the package looked like. Let's see. Let me take these gloves off because I don't need them now. Okay, and it says plant in full sun or partial shade, fertilize, weed-free soil, which we know this is. So let me show you what these seeds look like. You guys see those seeds? That's what they look like. So I'm going to make a trench. I'll put one at the top. You guys see that? Put that at the top. And then I'm just going to broadcast it, because I want some at the top. We're going to do another one here in the middle. We're going to see how these seeds do, you guys. And we're going to put one here. Trench here. Get some more seeds. Hope they grow for me, because I really, 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 really want to try these beets. And all we're going to do is just cover them back up. Trench here. I'm going to cover these up. Make sure they make good contact with the soil. Put some over here on this side just in case. All right, beet, you in there. And then we just have to water them in, pat it down real good. All right, I'm gonna put a sign in here. I'm a sign in there, let me know what I got growing in this container, which is always a good thing. And I'm gonna take it outside and show you exactly where it's home gonna be until it starts growing. And I may put some kind of a netting over the top, because you know how Rocky is. Rocky is always trying to figure out what I'm doing. When he sees me doing stuff, he always has to come around and he has to check it out. So that's what I'll probably do. I'll probably put a netting over the top, and then I'll put it where it needs to go. And hopefully that netting will keep Rocky's curiosity down to a 0 status, because I'm trying my hardest to get out here and grow this food without having all my critters out here trying to eat it up before me. So let's take this outside and put it where it needs to go. All right, you guys, let's go. Let's just go ahead and water this in. Get a nice drink. All right, now I'm going to try this for the very first time, because this is something that I got from Temu. Remember, this is used for when you're outside picnicking and you want the flies and stuff to stay off of your food and stuff. A lot of people put these like little tents on their food, so we're going to use this as a cover for my planter here. So I'm going to get this right. So I get it in here the correct way. You guys see this? And I'm just going to put it over the top of this. You guys see that? And then I'm going to find some clips, and I'm going to clip it on both ends here, which I'll probably use these clips. See these clips right here? I'm just going to clip it on this side so to stay down. Let me get the other one so I can clip it as well. Alright, We're going to clip it on this side, and that way will prevent old Rocky from getting a hold of it. So let me position this on this table because I want to put it in the middle, and then I'll put all these carrots and stuff around it. So let me get it situated, and I'll come back and show you. So you can see that I have my tent up on my beets. In front of that, I have my carrots that are starting to come up. Let me see if I can let you guys see that. See, they're coming up really nicely. And then I have my other carrots over here, which are doing well. Carrots back here, carrots back there, carrots here, carrots here, carrots there. I told you I'm coming out hard and trying to grow as much carrots as I possibly can. So I will keep you guys updated on how this tent item works. And oh, and also I put one of those tents over here. Let me show you. I put one of those tents over here on my onions. So those onions are doing really good because that was one of Rocky's favorite spots to be digging around in. So he ain't gonna be digging around that anymore. So I'm so excited. Oh, let me also show you. There's a salamander that's right under one of my pots. Let me see if I can get a close up on that. If he don't go away. Let me see. See if I can get a better look on him. Can you see? Never seen that type of a salamander. Have you guys seen one that looks like that? He is like just chilling right there with a red face. That's a big one. I'm telling you. Now I had Stripey. Stripey had the iridescent stripes on him, but this one has a red head, and it's well, I know he's a lizard, but still, I'm finding all kind of critters over here in my garden. This is so amazing. The things that you see out here when you are trying to grow some food. There's a lot of animals out here trying to take advantage of all our hard work and trying to partake in what we are growing. All right, guys, I just want to let you guys see that. And over here, you will see, let me back you up because that's too close. And as you can see, my thornless blackberries are doing really well. They had flowers, but I don't see any blackberries on there yet. I'll keep you guys updated so you guys can see what I'm seeing on a day-to-day basis because I'm so excited about trying to get my very first blackberry. Woohoo! Yay, blackberry! All right, guys, I'm going to do some more weeding, and I know you guys don't want to watch me do all this weeding, so I'm going to leave it here and say, hoping you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day because it stopped raining out here. The clouds, as you can see, let me show you. I don't know if you'll be able to see the clouds, but let me see. You see the clouds? They're kind of dark. So the rain clouds have moved away for now. So hopefully they'll stay away until I can get some of the stuff that I need to get done. And then, I tell you, there's so many jobs that a gardener we always have to do. And I have to do something with this planter down here. See this planter? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that into my strawberry planter. I'm going to clean that all out, put some good soil in there, and then I have this netting that I'm going to sit that planter inside and I'm going to zip it up. So, because Rocky likes to dig in that area, that planter too, and he also, brings his little girlfriend, and Chunky over here has discovered that planter, but there's nothing growing in there, so they know it's there. So if I put anything in there, I've got to secure it. So that was my next thing I want to do, is I want to make sure I secure my food. All right, guys, with that being said, I want to say have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and check this out. This planter is doing really well too. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm telling you, I love spring going into summer. If the temperatures would just stay just like this, would be beautiful. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. I love you all. And Miss Renee will catch you in the next video. Take care, you guys.